Hey 8th graders, it's your second to last Workin' Wednesday. Week 14, we only have a 3-day week, so on our last Workin' Wednesday, we will actually end school. But it's only week 13 today. So we have a Schoology assignment. We're going to use our textbook page 387 to 389. The textbook's going to be really important today. And we're still in topic 8, lesson 1. Just a reminder, I'm going to explain the assignment, but work must be submitted on Schoology so I can give you credit and give you a grade. So how do we get to this assignment so we can submit? Log on to Schoology, go to our science class. It should look something like this. Please click on materials that's circled in red. And when you do that, you're going to scroll to the very bottom of the page. Currently, it looks like this. Click on week 13 notes. I have more instructions there. And also just a friendly reminder that this was our work from last Friday, week 12 quiz. You're going to want to keep up on things because we're running out of time, and I definitely don't want to see everybody do a mad dash the last couple days of school. All right, so what is your actual homework? You're going to take notes on week 13, video lesson 1 and 2, or textbook pages 387 to 389. So the video lessons and the textbook have the same information. I think the video lessons are easier to take notes from, but it's your choice. If you prefer the book, use the book. If you like the YouTube lessons, use the YouTube lessons. If you are using the YouTube lessons, don't forget that you are free to pause, go forward, go backwards. That's the advantage to using a video lesson. And your notes must look like my example, but I'm going to show you how I did my notes in a second. Also, there is an example of my notes on the Schoology assignment if you need to look at it again. Okay, so the requirements for these notes, they need to be on a separate sheet of paper, and then you'll upload the picture of your paper. I am not picky on the type of paper that you guys use. Please, whatever you have in the house. If it's old computer paper, if it's construction paper, if it's in a notebook, if it's ripped out of the notebook, I'm not particular. All right, you need to include 3 main ideas. They must be large bodies of water and climate, ocean currents and climate, and factors that affect precipitation. For each main idea, you need 3 sentences. They must be a short sentence, or they can be short, but they must be a complete idea. So I like to say short, sweet, and complete. I'm not looking for you to write an essay, but I need your sentence to make sense. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So here's a bad short sentence. Rain. Okay? That is too short. Here's a better short sentence. It can cause rain. Not a super long sentence, but it is a complete sentence. And again, I need you to set up your notes like I'm going to set them up. Okay, I'm finally going to show you how to exactly set up your notes. You're going to take your sheet of paper, and the first thing that you're going to do is add your name, please and thank you, and then add the title Week 13 Notes. Then you're going to draw a vertical or up and down line a little less than halfway down the paper like so. So if you need more help, think of folding your paper in half like the hot dog way, but make your hot dog uneven so that you've got more side on the right than you do on the left. On the left-hand side, please add the title Main Ideas, and on the right-hand side, please add the title Details. So I basically want more room on your paper for details than main ideas. Your 3 main ideas for the notes are large bodies of water and climate, ocean currents and climate, and factors that affect precipitation. And for each main idea, you need 3 supporting sentences. So, for example, let's start with large bodies of water and climate. I could say something like, large bodies of water, lakes and oceans, can affect climate. Remember, short, sweet, and complete. Maybe another example for a detail could be for factors that affect precipitation. Precipitation means rain. It's a fancy-dancy science word for rain. All right, so this is how I want your notes to be like. You may use my examples. Please do. Make your work a little easier for yourself. So I know you got this. If you still need help, feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to seeing your work.